NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. So every time I ask Alexa to play my favorite song, there's NLP at work. Wait, did you call him Benadryl Cucumber Bitch? It all started in 1950s with the arrival of computers. Bendicat Custard Batch. When you type something onto the Google, it uses NLP to predict what you will type next. Butterscotch crumble batch, kind of like how we teach a child how to read and understand language. Bumblebee baggage claim. The computer generates more responses or new text based on what it has learned so far.
What the F, guys?
In today's world, we are completely surrounded by technology like smartphone, smartwatch, smart TV, and the one thing that makes all of them smart, the computers. There used to be a time when interacting with this computer used to be extremely difficult and required extensive knowledge of programming languages. Hello everyone, welcome to Mindful Metrics, and today we are going to talk about a topic that has completely revolutionized how we interact with computers. I know what you're talking about. Even I hate programming language, and I've been itching for a personal Jarvis to arrive so I can just boss it around. I mean, it's been long overdue and can't believe we haven't done it yet. What the hell are you even talking about, bro? I'm trying to record a video over here. Bro, I'm serious. I've seen it in so many movies. Tony Stark has one, which he even upgraded to Friday, a female Jarvis. And even that Blade Runner guy had one. I mean, any futuristic movie if you see, they will always have one character like that, which is clearly indicating that even in our future we are going to have something like that. Something like a personal Jarvis. I mean, don't get me wrong, we do have Siri and Alexa and even Google Assistant if you are poor. But it's just not enough, So, did I get the topic right? Are you going to tell us about how to build a Jarvis? Not exactly. But it's kind of related. What you are talking about only exists in movies. What we are talking about today is how computers and humans interact with each other using language. Have you ever heard of NLP? No, not really. Well, NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It's all about teaching machine to understand, interpret, and even generate human language. NLP is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on interaction between computer and humans through language. It is critical to fully and efficiently analyze text and speech data. It can work through difference in dialect, slang, and grammatical irregularities typical to a day-to-day conversation. It's what allows Siri to answer your question, Google to translate language, and chatbot to assist you online. Wait, so every time I ask Alexa to play my favorite song, there's NLP at work? Exactly. NLP involves several key tasks like speech recognition, language understanding, and language generation. Okay, I get it. But how do computers even understand what we are saying? I mean, it's not like they speak our language, right? I thought they were made up of ones and zero only. Great question. For a change. See, computer use algorithm to process speech and text data to find some pattern. Basically, they use those patterns to understand how a language works and use them to understand and generate more language. Algorithm? Bro, algorithm like that one that Zola created to target all the superheroes. Bro, I'm not really feeling good about this NLP. Dude, relax. You don't have to bring up movie reference for everything, okay? You see, NLP algorithm and Zola algorithm are completely different. NLP algorithm analyze massive amount of text and speech data to understand, interpret, and generate more language, not to target superheroes. Okay, you know what? Let me start from the beginning. NLP has a fascinating history. It all started in 1950s with the arrival of computers. Early pioneer like Alan Turing proposed idea about machine intelligence. Someone can argue Alan's famous question in his paper,
If machines can think,
laid the groundwork for NLP. Alan Turing. Wait, I think I've heard that name. Isn't he that dude in that old movie, Imitation Game, played by Doctor Strange? Benadryl Cucumber Bitch? Exactly. He helped in decoding the German Enigma code during Second World War. Wait, did you call him Benadryl Cucumber Bitch? Bro, his name is Benadryl Cumberbatch. Cumberbatch. No, it's Bendicat Custard Batch. Moving on. In 1960s, NLP saw its first major milestone with the development of first chatbot called Eliza. Eliza could mimic human conversation using simple pattern matching mechanism. Eliza, huh? Sounds like grandmother of Alexa. Well, you can say that. In the 80s and 90s, advancement in machine learning and computational power led to more sophisticated NLP system. The introduction of statistical models allowed for better language processing and understanding. And in 2000s, explosion of data from the internet and social media provided a goldmine for NLP research. Today, with advanced algorithms like deep learning, NLP has reached new heights, enabling things like real-time translation, sophisticated virtual assistants, and much more. Today, NLP is everywhere on the internet. For example, when you type something onto the Google, it uses NLP to predict what you will type next. Other examples like Gmail spam, autocorrect, chatbot, ChatGPT, and all those other generative AIs where you can use prompt to generate arts or even voices and so much more. At its core, they all use NLP to convert human language into actionable computer command. Alright, that's fascinating. But how does it even work? Oh, you really want to know how it works? Well, let's do it. Suppose we have a document. Now our goal is to make sure the text in the document is processed into a form that can be easily comprehended by computers. Kind of like how we teach a child how to read and understand language. The only difference is with the power of machine learning and computers, we can do it much faster. First, we break down the entire document into its constituent sentence. We can do it by segmenting the article using its punctuation, like full stop or commas. For the algorithm to understand these sentences, we break down the sentences into its constituent words, also known as tokens. To make the learning process faster, we remove non-essential words that do not add too much meaning to our sentences, also known as stop word, like a, at, the, etc. This process reduces word to their base or root form. This is similar to stemming, but it reduces word to their dictionary form. Here the computer identifies whether each token is a noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, etc. This involves identifying important elements in the text like name of people, places, important dates, etc. Now next is sentiment analysis, where computer determines if the text is positive, negative, or neutral. It helps in understanding the mood or tone of the sentence. And finally, we have language generation, where the computer generates more responses or new text based on what it has learned so far. Wow, that is so complicated with so many steps. Why can't everything be simple and have just a switch that you can just turn on? But tell me this, when I tweet about how much I love Bendicat Cookie Batch and then I start seeing ads and reels about his movies, is that NLP at work? Precisely. Companies use NLP to understand customer preferences and tailor their marketing effort so that they can save some money. So if you like any reel of butterscotch crumble batch, they will push more reel and ad featuring bendable Cumberbatch.
What the F, guys? His name is Benedict Cumberbatch.
Nah. It sounds like a made up word. Alexa gone mad. Exactly. I think his name is Bendersnatch Cumberbun. Yeah, I still think it's Bumblebee Baggage Claim. Bro, I think it's Cucumber Benders. Another cool application is in translation. Remember the movie Arrival where they decoded an entire alien language? Yeah, that movie was awesome. Well, translation service like Google Translate using NLP to convert text from one language to another. I know it's not alien language, but it's still pretty impressive. Now, to summarize, NLP is all about bridging the gap between human communication and computer understanding. So next time when you ask your phone a question or get a recommendation online, remember, there's NLP at work. Thanks for the explanation. Now can we build our own Jarvis? Maybe in another video, but that is enough for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any question about NLP and any other AI related topic, drop them in the comments below. About Engelbert Humperdinck. See, Ingleton Humperdinck.